So welcome back once again into my practical Python 3 session. So before directly jump to the coding section, why not we discuss regarding exactly where we are going to use Python or where in these days Python is using. So there are so many fields right now in which Python is using, like online games, web services, application, science, instrumental control, embedded system, like so many. For the web services, we are using in the form of Django. For the data applications or data analysis, we are using um, NumPy, Pandas, etc. So okay, so let me show you that how Python is giving you output into a normal way. Okay, so just go jump to the idle. So fine. So this is my Python 3.5.2 cell, and in previous video you know how to install Python into your system. So suppose if you're right now I'm going to compare how things easy in Python and comparatively how you are going to write any codes in Java or something like that, some another language. So if you know that in Java, if you want to print any simple string or any simple bit of words, you have to write at least 5 or 6 lines of the code. But in Python it's not like that. You have to, if you want to print any line, so just you have to give print command. So print inside the bracket, just give double quotes, and suppose that my message is welcome to the world of Python. Press enter and boom, this is your output. So you can able to see that Python is taking a very less time to give you the output, as well as it is so simple. Suppose that if you want to do any mathematical operations, which is like any sorts of equations or like that, it's also very easy like that. No need to write or assign anything into the Python. Just exactly write 2 plus 2 and it gave you like 4. Okay, so before jumping directly again, let me discuss about this code again. So here you are able to see that I wrote print in bracket in the inside double quotes. I wrote welcome to the world of Python. So exactly what is the meaning of this? Okay, so hashtag print. So what is the meaning of this? So it is nothing. It is just it is a inbuilt function inside Python which gives the output. Fine, and this is called as that welcome to the world of Python is called as your Python command in which you are getting the value, and this is called as the output of that command. Okay, so you are able to see it. It is very easy, right? Now jump to the documentation parts. So today we are going to discuss about comments as well as print commands. Okay, so exactly what is the meaning of comments? Means what comments makes and what is the use of comment into your program. So comment is very important into your program. Why? Just because by comment you will tell to others that what actually you are doing here with the particular codes. Okay, so how to use it? Okay, so comment is used as with pound sign. This is called as a pound sign, and if you write anything, hi, hello, like that, anything, that Python will ignore all the lines which comes with that hash sign. Okay, so suppose that I'm writing anything simply here, I am going to write, fine. After that, if I'm going to write anything like that, hello. So here, if any newcomer is coming to the field of Python, they will understand by these 2 lines. Okay, like that, he will understand that you are a coder and you are going to write a Python code. So it's easy for them to understand into the easy language about the coding parts. Okay, so this is the function in Python. Like other language, Python is not supporting multi-line comments, so no need to worry about that if it is not supporting anything. Simply let's back to that and let's check out about the print function. Okay, So about this code, we already discussed about this line. So what are the different types of print function? I created one file for that. Let me directly jump onto that. File, open. Fine. So right now I'm going to discuss about this different types of print function which you are going to use by using a normal method. Fine. So in this one is a normal method. In the print command, we are going to print welcome to the practical Python. Okay. So if you want to replace anything, okay, so you can replace anything beside this, you can write anything, and this will be going to be print. Okay. What is the use of double quote and single quote in print function? It's also here. Suppose if you are writing anything into the double quotes, that will give you the output, as well as if you write the same thing into the single quotes, that will also gives you the output. Fine. But we have to decide that where we have to use single quote and where we have to use the double quotes. So suppose right now we want to print this command, we want to print Python's program, and here it is, the single quote is here. So if you write everything into single quotes, this will give you the error. I will show you after that, no problem. And if you want to double quotes, so you have to put all these things inside the single quotes. Okay, so how to run? Just click run or click run modules, otherwise just click F5, and here you are getting all the output. Fine. But before, as I told you, that what happen if I will miss the single quote and double quotes. Suppose I'm going to print a line like the same thing, Python's program. So what happening is, here you are able to see that green to green, just check out. So green to green, from here to here, the Python is understanding that this is going to be treated as a string and it will going to be print. But after that, it's again, it is telling me, means Python is telling that, okay, this is the black, means it is completely ignored. So Python is completely misunderstand that what happening here. So if you print here, it will be give you that invalid syntax, as well as it will pointing the place that, okay, what is the exactly you are getting the issue. So you are getting the issue exactly here, so you have to go and check it. So you have to check out, okay, yeah, fine, I'm making a changes here. So just come, so just go here, replace by the double quotes, right? Everything is again becomes green. Press enter and you will get the output. In the same way, suppose if I'm going to print anything which is the double quotes like this, okay, so suppose if I'm going to print this and I'm putting print print command for that, okay, again you are able to see from double quotes to double quotes, it is completely green, means they Python is understanding these things, but Python is not understanding what is the meaning of this. So here again Python is confused. Once you press enter, syntax error is coming, means here some wrong thing is going here, means your syntax is wrong here. So again, what you have to do, you have to just copy the command, okay, and just you have to replace this single quotes, press enter, and you are getting the output. So these are the right now only these things you have to means I'm going to cover into the print function, because as I told you, this entire tutorial is going for the beginners. So for beginners, we have to understand the basic of everything. Once entire basic we'll understand, then we'll jump to the our intermediate course. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to share with others, as well as comment down your point of view. Thanks.